Why does your scanner show the P0173 engine code? What does it mean? P0173 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel trim malfunction, Bank 2. This engine code indicates that the ECM is having trouble maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture in engine Bank 2. Specifically, it means the fuel trim values have reached their operational limits, either too lean or too rich, and the ECM cannot compensate further. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: air or fuel imbalance, sensor malfunctions, fuel delivery issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz and BMW model. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.